How to stake on FLEXDAO tutorial. To learn how to use FLEXDAO, complete the following steps. Before beginning, however, ensure you have downloaded a Metamask wallet. You can download the Metamask plugin here. Step 1. Add Smart BCH to your network on Metamask. Once you've set up your account, click the Mainnet drop-down menu and click the Add Network button. Input the following information and click Save. Step 2. Import Flex into your wallet. Click on the Import Tokens button at the bottom of the page and enter this in token contract address. The token symbol should then automatically fill in with Flex, and the token decimal should show the number 18. If the above is correct, click Add Custom Token and then Import Tokens on the following page. Step 3. Send Flex from your CoinFLEX wallet to your Metamask wallet. Copy your Metamask address and go to your CoinFLEX wallet. Click Withdraw and select Flex from the list of coins. Choose the SEP20 network and enter your Metamask address into the Destination Flex address section. Enter the amount of Flex you want to withdraw, click Submit and confirm withdrawal. Enter your two-step verification code and click Verify. Step 4. Connect your Metamask to FLEXDAO. Go to www.coinflex.com/DAO. You can either type the link into the URL, or click FLEXDAO in the dashboard, which is in the drop-down menu under Flex. If your Metamask doesn't connect automatically, click on Connect Wallet in the top right corner of the page. Click Approve on your Metamask and you will then be connected. Step 5. Choose how much Flex you want to stake and how long for. You can choose anywhere from 2 weeks to 4 years. Enter the amount you want to stake. For first-time users, you will need to click Approve. You will then need to press Confirm to grant FLEXDAO permission to have access to your funds. Click the Stake button and confirm the transaction on your Metamask. Once the transaction is approved, you can begin earning yield automatically on your staked Flex. FLEXDAO. The first exchange token DAO.